All right. Good morning, everybody. Hoping this live stream's working today. I've been working all week to get it to work right. And today's an important one, so I really hope I nailed it this time. Today, we are going to be talking about changing your beliefs and changing them quickly because this is urgent. Changing your beliefs and changing them quickly. Why is it so urgent? I've been in the office for 30 years and I've never seen it as bad as I see it now. Our kids are walking around like this, guys. Moms, you got to take a moment. You got to look. Our kids are walking around like this. And that blocks all of the energy between the brain and the body. Everything's blocked. So how do you think your kids are going to grow up healthy and strong when they've blocked the communication between the brain and the body? They're not supporting the arc of life. None of us are anymore. We've forgotten. We've forgotten what we need to do to stay healthy. And every day we need to do something to invest in ourselves. So I don't have time. It's not important, blah, blah, blah. Time to change your beliefs, people. Let's do it this way. Let's give you a case scenario where you're afraid of heights. And that was me, by the way. I was very afraid of heights for a long time. So if you said to me, I'm going to take two skyscrapers and I'm going to put a 2x4 between them, connecting them. And I want you to go across them. And on the other side, you get to the other side, I'm going to give you $500 or $1 million, anywhere in between. You walk that plank. Now you're talking to a person who is afraid of heights. There's no way. I have a fear of heights. I am not walking across that. There's no way you can get me to walk across that. Two skyscrapers across a 2x4 for $1 million. Are you out of your mind? I'm not doing it. However, you want to change a belief and you want to change it really quick. What's on the other side? $500,000, $500, $1 million? No, on the other side, that building is burning down. That skyscraper is on fire and your child is on the other end of that 2x4. You want to see me get across that 2x4 quicker than you've ever seen anybody else get across that 2x4? Make that the value for me. And I'm there. And I'm telling you right now, our children, our futures, are at risk because we are not addressing these postures that we're seeing all day, every day. How are you getting energy? It's supposed to be like a fire hose, streaming energy down to the body so that we can live and survive. And instead, we cut it off. Look at the path that it has to take. Just to support the weight of our head, we are taking up 50% of our body's resources. It's crazy. This is something that you need to act on now. And we've been talking about the neck wedge all week, and I've been really nice and giving you little, tidbits. The neck wedge, if you don't know how to get one or where to start, you need to text me, IM me, put a little whatever, however these things work these days. But I promise you, until you understand that our health, our lives, everything about us is in danger because we're walking around in this C shape instead of what we're meant to be. So bad after COVID, so bad. I've never seen it like this. And we think it's okay that our kids sit in chairs like this. Guys, wake up. It's not okay. They will never reach their potential in life if they are that subluxated, if their energy is that shut down. So this first step, supporting that neck curve, getting yourself daily on the wedge. Are you willing to commit to it? Would you run across that building? If it was on fire, would you run across that 2x4 to save your child's life? I'm asking you, take control of your life, get yourself back on the right page, teach your family and everybody around you. Our grandmothers knew it. My grandmother used to slap me on the back. How many people had parents that used to yell at them for not sitting up straight? There's a reason behind that. We need to go back to that. Physiologically, we are not in thriving mode. We're in survival mode, and we don't want that, guys. I want you to live your best lives. I want you to thrive, not survive. Enough of that. So let me know that you're liking this. We're, again, going live on different media sources, I hope. If not, I'm going to repost. I'm going to figure this out because the things that we need to get out there are crucial, so vitally important to the health of us, our society, our families. So let's change our beliefs. Let's take the value. Let's know what is at the other end. That building's burning down. We got to get there. We got to save ourselves, our kids, and everybody else. I can't wait to see everyone tomorrow. I hope you have a great day. Obviously, I'm on fire. We'll be in the office again today, just getting it done, straightening people out, turning their power on. Loving every minute of it. Have a great one, and I'll see you guys soon.